Mask with text. So this is a smaller feature I forgot to include in my previous text tutorial video. I'm about to show you just that and how to make this effect. Okay, so you see the mask with text option right here. So for this to work, you have to have the Essential Graphics window open. If you don't know how to get this, you can easily go to Window and then select Essential Graphics, and then you'll be getting this window. Once you have that, you can see the rain text. I have a text over here already, so I'm gonna go with the video with the rain that I have shot before. So for that to work, all you have to do is click on this icon right here, new layer, from file, and then you go to whatever video you want. I'm just gonna select this video, and now this is the video. Okay, and now what you want to do is make sure the video is underneath the text. Okay, then click on the text, you go to mask with text, and now there you go, that's the effect. So that's how you mask a video inside a text. You can invert it too, you can play with the shadow and all that, play around with it and give it your own style if you want. So that's how you do it. You can change the font and make it anything else. Yeah, you have like complete freedom over this. So that's how you mask the text with a video or clip or anything that you want. This is an easy way to do it. Usually we do it with like a matte option, half a matte, but this is like a much easier way to do it. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe and comment your thoughts down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.